I'm on a journey of turning my life around by the time I turn 40. And with less than 3 years to go, I have a lot of work to do. And I saw this challenge going around on these internet streets. The challenge was to put a prompt into our active chat GPT accounts, right? And give it the prompt to say, based on what you know about me, create a caricature. I hope I pronounced that word correct. um, Character of what you think about me. And it came up with, I had three identities. That's the picture you saw on the thumbnail. And it depicts me as a professional, a content creator, and a massage therapist. And I found this very interesting. Here's why I found it interesting. I was thinking that I am still all over the place. I'm still not grounded and knowing what I want. I keep making decisions and rethinking and all of that. But I'm actually becoming the her that I want to be. And even though I didn't think that I'm getting anywhere, ChatGPT thinks that I've already arrived, right? And it gets me thinking that, as a man thinketh, so is he. And here am I doubting myself when I'm doing the things to get there, even though I have not arrived. I should think of myself in the present doing the thing now. And yes, of course, it's going to think I'm a HR professional because when I was in school, getting a certification in HR, I used it to help me to study. When I just finished massage therapy last week, and I had persons, strangers, not friends and families this time, showing up, but strangers responding to my flyer and actually paid me for my massage services. Then the content creation. Of course, I go to ChatGPT for video ideas to help me to create for the massage business page. And I found it very interesting that it put me in those three categories. So I'm actually becoming the her that I wrote down and made it plain, as Habakkuk 2 says we're supposed to do. Write the plan and make it plain so that whoever reads it may be able to follow after it. And I look at the picture and I smiled. I smiled because here I am, I was doubting. I was doubting that I'm still all over the place. I was thinking that I'm not fully convinced that I am who I say I am, but this AI tool thinks that I have already arrived. And it gets me to thinking that that's how exactly that we are supposed to be living. Life is short and we are supposed to be living in the present. I keep thinking of what the future will be, what I used to do in the past, and not focusing on realizing that in the moment, doing the things is actually shaping that future. It is said that the heart attack you suffer 20 years from now is due to the lifestyle that we're living today, right? So if I get up and I actively work on my business, I actively work on the character that I see for myself, that I'm journaling about, then eventually I will get there. But I cannot get there if I'm living in self doubt and thinking that I'm not doing enough. In the moment, I am enough. In the moment, I am doing the best that I can. moment by moment, because I'm learning as I go along. And one of the persons that I introduced myself to as a massage therapist, he went on my social media page and he was giving me some ideas of what to add to it and such. And I was telling him, yes, because the suggestion was to put up videos of me actually doing the work, you know. And I'm saying, yes, man, yes, I have those videos. And people, I've had those videos for a while, sitting unedited and not uploaded, because I am overthinking of how it should look, the sounds that should go to it, etc., etc. And he got me to thinking that probably several persons have come across my page, and because they're not seeing me actually doing the work, then probably to them I'm a fraud. you know I am not the massage therapist that I say I am. I'm just giving some motivational speech of unpacking. And if you're hearing this shameless plug, you can go over to my Instagram at tsm dot massage dot aromatics. Right? Leave your ideas over there and just follow. And I am getting realizing that there's still so much work for me to do, because I'm wasting my time. Actually, I could have edited those videos so long ago. So what am I waiting on? I'm delaying because I'm thinking of perfection. I can't, I'm not arrived. I will not get there. Practice makes progress, not practice makes perfect, because there's always room to learn. And on this journey, you have to think of yourself, of who you say you are, and walk in it. Walk in the light that you say you are. Get up every single day, and do something that will contribute to your future self, because your present shapes that future. So, if you take absolutely nothing from this video, fake it till you make it. Rise up out of your bed today, rise up out of your bed tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day, doing one thing, two things. Build on that muscle to keep going. And suddenly you'll realize that you are who you say you are, and you will be so proud. I am so proud. I cannot believe that it might seem like a small amount of numbers, but 6 persons decided to give me a chance, pay their money for massage therapy to a therapist that has never been here before. But because I sold myself as the massage therapist, then I am the Shana, and it is so amazing. And each person, I can tell you, one person already told 2 friends. One person already said she's going to tell her daughter to come. One person was actually a massage therapist herself, and it was after the massage that she told me this. I don't know, we have a meeting to sit and talk business and way forward, because she said she was doing it before I was born. So there's so much to learn. And I would have never gotten this opportunity unless I had made the first step. Be bold in what you are doing. Be bold in showing up for yourself, because nobody else will show up for you as much as you can show up for yourself. And until next time, go on today. Come off of your devices. After this video, after this video, come off, write that plan, make it plain, and then run after what you have written. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, see you in my next video.